looks like that's Carl out in front, Billy second, Sean third, Matt fourth. Oh, Matt upside down there. That was Sean upside down. So it's going to be Billy and Carl battling for first. And this is what happened last race. Remember, you guys got 10 minutes. Well, 9.5 now. Alright, looks like Billy out in front, Carl second, Sean third, Matt fourth. Oh, Sean upside down on the pipe there. Billy and Carl battling out through the center section here, working their way into the sand pit. Oh, Carl gets a little bit sideways. Billy nice and smooth. Oh, Billy catches some air upside down. Billy taking that outside line, fast down the front straight. So Billy out in front, Carl second, Matt third, Sean fourth. First and second, nice and smooth, into the sand pit. Alright, Billy and Carl battling out down the front straight. Up and over that elevation change, nice and smooth. Billy's got that truck dialed. Alright, Billy trying to open up that gap from Carl. Carl putting pressure on him. Oh, Billy getting sideways on that landing. Carl catches up to him. Billy Carl still battling out down the front straight. Yeah, Matt's gained just a little bit. Oh, off the track there. Oh, looks like Carl took it from Billy on that inside line. Oh, Billy's sliding down the back straight there. Oh, Matt upside down in the front here. Oh, Billy upside down there. He's got the pressure on him. Oh, Carl cased that double. Billy nice and smooth. Got 6 minutes, 45 seconds, driver. Looks like it's Carl. Billy still battling first. Carl and Billy doing a little bit of bumping there. No, Billy pushes Carl. Oh, he's going to wait for him. Billy took first again. Looks like it's Billy, Carl, Matt, then Sean. First and second into the sand pit, up and over the double. Alright, looks like Billy's still out in front. Carl dropped back a little bit. That was Sean stuck on the pipe there. Your leader passing that lap traffic nice and smooth. Sean down in second place behind you. Oh, Sean upside down there on the double. Seems like Carl's truck's losing a little bit of power, but he's still keeping up with Billy. So it's Billy, Carl, Matt, then Sean. With 5 minutes remaining, drivers. 5 minutes halfway into this race. Carl getting a little hesitant on that center section there. Carl taking that inside line, working out for him. 4.5 minutes remaining, drivers. 4.5 minutes. Billy, Carl, Matt, Sean. Carl is trying to find Billy. Billy nice and smooth through the center section here. Carl still trying to hunt down Billy. Billy, hold on to it for now. Oh, Billy into the pipe there. Carl gets around him. Oh, Billy's got some work to do here. Carl out in front now, working his way to the sand pit. Billy dropped back just a little ways here. Carl coming up and over the double. Oh, it's Carl on the pipe. Billy's going to close it just a little bit. Oh, Billy sliding upside down there. Sliding up that brand new body. Carl out in front down the straight. Billy second, working his way down the straight. Carl opened up that gap pretty big. Billy's got some work to do. We still got just over 3 minutes to do it. Alright, so it's Carl, Billy, Matt, then Sean. Carl into the sand pit, Billy in the center section there. Carl up and over the double, nice and smooth. Alright, Billy's still trying to find Carl, working his way over the elevation changes. Carl down the back straight. Alright, Carl still holding on to number one here. Oh, he spun out there. Billy's going to catch him. Billy gets around him into the sand pit. Chicken bone. Oh, Carl stuck on the pipe there. Billy's opening up the gap down the front straight. Oh, Carl having a hard time on the pipe there. Turn marshal helping him out just a little bit. Billy opened up that gap about half the track here. Billy working his way in the center. Oh, Billy upside down, back on all fours. Looks like Carl's got some work to do now to find Billy. Waiting for him to make a mistake. Billy working his way up and over the double here. Carl into the sand pit. Oh, making up some good time here. It's a minute and 20 seconds, drivers. A minute and 20 seconds. A lot can happen. Carl down the front, Billy down the back. About half the track ahead it looks here.
Randy, can we stop that water, please?
Alright, Carl still trying to find Billy. Billy working his way through the sand pit. Sean, now here's the leader behind you. Oh, he pulled off the track. I don't think that was on purpose, though. Alright, Carl working his way through the wagon wheel. Billy working his way towards that back straight back there. We got 35 seconds, drivers. 35 seconds. Carl, that is second place. Going to be passing you. Sorry, that was Carl passing you in second place there. Alright, Billy looking nice and smooth, coming into the sand pit, up and over the double here. Oh, Billy off the pipe, upside down, back on all fours. You got 12 seconds. See if Carl can get around here for another lap. You got 6 seconds. I might give it to him here. Let's see. Alright, Carl gets another lap in. Finish the lap you're on. Finish the lap you're on. Alright, Sean. Carl trying to find Billy on this last lap. Billy's like, I'm not waiting for him, I'm not risking it. Billy up and over the double here in the center section. Alright, Billy worked his way to the sand pit, up and over the double. Billy's got that truck pretty dialed, looks pretty smooth out there, sticks to the ground nice. Alright, Billy winning it there. Carl's going to be coming around for second. Matt third, Sean fourth.